Hey you guys, the secret for moisture retention is this. I wanted to share a super quick step that has several benefits for your cakes. Not only is simple syrup great for moisture, but it also contributes to a longer lasting, softer, and more tender cake crumb, so let me show you how I make it. You're going to take equal parts of water and sugar. I like to start off with half a cup for each, and you're going to put that in a small pot. Give this a good mix with a whisk for a few seconds. You can also add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract or any extract for a little extra flavor as well. Next, you're going to place it on your stovetop in medium-high heat, and you're going to bring it to a boil. You're going to leave it alone. There's no need to mix it. You're going to boil this for 2 minutes, and that's when the sugar should be completely dissolved. Remove it from the heat and let it cool down for at least a few minutes. Adding simple syrup actually doesn't add too much sweetness if you're concerned about that. It only enhances the flavor. So I like using a silicone brush to dab this onto each cake layer. Keep in mind you don't need to add too much, and how much you add can depend on how thick your layers are. You don't want to overly soak it, so just a couple of dabs in each section is just fine. Here, as you can see, you can also add it to cake truffle and cake pop mixtures to make it less crumbly. And here I just wanted to show you how I add it to individual cupcakes. Simple syrup is really great, especially if your dessert is going to be consumed within the next couple of days or so. It will really help enhance the flavor and improves the texture overall. If you try this tip for your cakes, let me know how it turns out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the